Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Bling Galleria, and we're going to be creating a glitter sparkly holiday mani. Now to me, nothing says holidays more like a good glitter or sparkle. I love glitter ornaments and like everything sparkly and just the flashing Christmas lights. So I feel like we needed a all glitter mani for this holiday season, and no better way to play with some really awesome glitters from Bling Galleria. Plus, to be honest with you, I couldn't figure out which glitter I wanted to use first. So I was like, you know what? We're going to use them all. And originally I was going to do like a Skittles mani, but I was like, you know what? That's not going to be the avenue I wanted to go down. I really wanted to make this like the ultimate sparkle. So better than just like a Skittles mani, we're going to throw in some ombre. So then we're going to tie in so much sparkle when we do the ombre. So we're just going to take the whole glitter to another level. We are using the gel method today, but it doesn't matter if you're using your dip liquids or the gels. These powders lay really flat to the nail. Now, if I was using dip liquids, I still would gently press everything down. That's just something I like to do because I just do not like filing and buffing in general. So I make a conscious effort of making sure I am always tapping everything down, especially when it comes to glitters, because I really want to reduce my filing at the end, because I think I told you guys last week or earlier this week that is like my least favorite thing to do is filing. So I really like the combination of the gels that I'm using today from Bling Galleria. It's a very, very thin consistency, and I can get really even layers when I'm dipping, especially with the cupcake method. I use that liner because I have a little bit more wiggle room instead of trying to dip directly into that jar and you're kind of dipping into like a confined space. I feel like I get a better, smooth, even coverage when I am using that cupcake liner. That is why for the majority of my manis, you always see me using a cupcake liner, just because I feel like with the combination of this gel and dipping into that cupcake liner, I can get really clean application when in the end result reduces my filing and buffing, which I love so much. So you can see here, diamond with that second coat, it's even more of like that perfect snowy diamond white. It is everything, and it's really beautiful on its own. I debated leaving these nails as is, was like the perfect like snowy white, and have the other nails kind of like an ombre accent, but I ended up adding a little twist to these nails at the end, so you will see that. So it looks like we're going to be rocking these just by themselves, but we are going to add even more sparkle to this beautiful color, which I feel like the end result of how the pinky and the thumbnail turned out is like one of my favorites ever, and I just feel like that alone for an entire mani would be beautiful as well. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful glitters to see them in action and get into the holiday spirit with a little bit of holiday music, and then I'm gonna pop back in just a few moments.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, ooh.
All right, now how beautiful are these two colors together, diamond and then good as gold? I just feel like it is perfect. This right here would be like an all over mani, would be perfect for New Year's Eve. It's very soft, it's very elegant. The sparkle is everything, and I just love it so much. So I'm so glad that I added that gold, and I really like how we changed up the ombre. So we're just doing some filing and buffing. Filing and buffing is going to be the usual. I am just cleaning up the sidewalls, the free edge, and just reshaping ever so lightly. And that is all I'm doing because everything is laying super flat. To the rest of the filing and buffing off camera. Then to seal everything in, we're going to go ahead and seal everything in with a layer of gel base. I am going to cure as I go for 30 seconds, and I'm also going to do the rest of the gel base off camera. And now we're going to finish up with the perfect gel top coat, which is HEMA free, and it gives you the most extreme shine. So just when you didn't think this mani was sparkly enough, you're going to get like the perfect crystal glass shine. So I cured everything for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. It's sparkly. It is everything, and it's definitely screaming holiday season to me. It's reminding me of like the perfect sparkly Christmas tree ornaments mixed in with those beautiful different color Christmas lights. I love it so much. It was really fun to play with glitters, and if you are not a glitter person but you like this mani but feel like you don't want to commit to it for like a full mani to wear it for like a week or two, you could always consider making press-ons, and then you could rock this mani for a specific like holiday party or just for the day. It's just really fun to switch up your manis, and it was really awesome to create. We played with so many beautiful colors, and I really love that gold mixed in with all those pops of colors. Overall, I really love how this mani turned out. So everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this sparkly mani. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.